Riad, tell me what your company does to push blockchain tech around the world.
We see blockchain as what we call like a leapfrog technology that just come into markets and it given the opportunity to disrupt, basically, right? I mean, solve problems differently. One. Number two, since it's new, basically the whole world is probably at the same level, so you can take it, build it, and then go global with it. And number three, it's mostly open source, so the knowledge is pretty much accessible if you have talent, right? So you can have access to it without too many restrictions. So these three things make it very valuable for African building technology ecosystems in Africa, in our opinion.
Your organization has ties to Kenya, for example. Can you give me some specific examples of how blockchain can help the continent of Africa and Kenya?
We looked at the problem, with basically raising money for small, medium enterprises, right? And we realized that, the whole process of raising money is very cumbersome and basically difficult to put into practice. So this is a typical example. We come with blockchain and we come up with a solution that facilitates all of that. It facilitates the matchmaking, supply, demand on debt, money raising. Even if it's a North American developed technology, fairly advanced technology and teams and so on, but the first applications are in Africa, which is interesting.
Very good. And the whole point of this conference is to expand digital technology around Africa. And tell me where the blockchain hub is fitting in at this conference and what your experience has been so far these past few days.
I see overall, the value is in really building this connectivity between people and ideas, right? And this is ideal because what is technology these days? Basically being able to be close to those that understand it and have it, right? So building that connectivity model between people and ideas is really the goal. And I think this event has been doing a lot of that. We're meeting people from any part of the world that have that knowledge and keys to be able to work with them. So fundamentally, I see it as a way to basically get us closer to that, world is flat thing, right? And, basically we'll all work with each other. That's how I look at this type of events, yeah.
Very good, Riad. Honestly, it's been a pleasure speaking with you today. Thank you so much for your time.